Good morning, students. Welcome back in online classes. Now, this is my 26th video. In this video, I would like to teach integration by part. As you know, maximum chapters already we have done. We have studied in previous video about differentiation, limit, maximum, minima, continuity, discontinuity. But in this video, we are going to start integration by part. It is very most important because calculus portion is very important for you. That's why please you see very carefully about integration by part. Clear? Now, integration by part, it means if two or more terms in the form of product like this one here, integration of u into v dx. Clear? U into v, first function, second function, is equal to leaving first function, integration of second function minus d by dx of first function into integration of second function and whole integration of this. Clear? Integration of u into v dx is equal to leaving first. Suppose it is a first function and this is second function. I will tell you how we can decide which function is the first and which is the second. U is the first here, v is the second. Leaving first, integration of second function minus integration of differentiation of first function into integration of second function. This is the formula. And guideline to decide first function. Clear? U into v is equal to leaving u integration of second function minus whole integration of differentiation of first function into integration of second function. But one problem is there, how we can suppose which function is the first and which is the second. Then guideline to decide first function. Understood? Then we have lead, or we can write here I late. Clear? Late or I late. It is simple for you because for reading very simple. I late. Here late. Clear? I am going to tell this one. I for inverse trigonometric function. Inverse trigonometric function. Clear? L logarithmic function. Clear? L for logarithmic function. Understood? Logarithmic function. A algebraic function. T trigonometric function. And E is equal to x O exponential function. Understood? Then in guidelines to decide first function, there are 5 functions LIATE, that is liet, or we can say ilet. Clear? Ilet for simple. It is simple for you. Then what is the meaning of ilet? I means inverse trigonometrical function, L for logarithmic function, A for algebraic function, T for trigonometric function, E for exponential function. Now going to give one example based on methods of integration by part, means depend on integration of u into v. Understood? Then x into cos x dx. Clear? We know separate formula of x and cos x, integration of x and cos x, but this is a product form according to ilet. Means I lay, there is no I, okay, no log. Algebraic means this is first function, trigonometrical means this is second function. Understood? X is the first function, cos x is the second function. Okay, now after that we have to put in this formula u into v is equal to what? Leaving u integration of v minus whole integration of differentiation of u into integration of v. Then is equal to x integration of cos x dx minus and differentiation of d by dx of x into integration of cos x dx whole integration. Very simple only. I have put in the formula. After that, going to write the integration of all the given function. X integration of cos means what? Sin x minus differentiation of x is only one. Integration of cos means only sin x and dx. X into sin x minus sin x dx. And x into sin x, integration of sin is equal to what? Minus cos x. Already minus here, then cos x plus c. Now this is a integration of x into cos x dx. Understood? Once more going to explain integration of x into cos x is equal to x is the first function and cos x is the second function according to liet or ilet. Clear? I have taken here ilet. I means there is no inverse function. L means logarithmic function is not there. E means algebraic. X is algebraic function. That's why x is the first function. And cos x is the trigonometrical function. That's why cos x is the second function. It means x is the first function, cos x is the second function. Now going to put in the formula. Leaving first means leaving x, integration of cos x dx minus whole integration of differentiation of x into integration of cos x. Then x into integration of cos means sin x minus differentiation of x is 1. Integration of cos x means sin x. Now what is the integration of sin x? Sin means minus cos. Already minus sign here. Then minus plus. Total answer is x sin x plus cos x plus c. Now this is answer. Now you see question number 2. Integration of x into log x dx. Given question product form, so we have to use methods of integration by part. First of all, we have to decide which function is first function, which is a second function. According to ilet, there is no I here. L means, now this is first function, E means algebraic, now this is second function. Now log x into x dx, first function, second function. Now going to put in this formula here, leaving you log of x integration of x dx minus whole integration of d by dx of log of x into integration of x dx, and clear, log x into integration of x dx minus whole integration of depreciation of log x into integration of x dx is equal to log of x integration of x means what? X square by 2 minus integration of what is the depreciation of log of x? 1 by x, integration of x square by 2 and here dx. Now x square log of x by 2 minus 1 by 2 out, x square cancelled by this x, and x square log of x upon 2 minus 1 by 2 integration of x means what? X square by 2 plus c. Then x square log of x upon 2 minus x square by 4 plus c. Now this is answer. Understood? Very simple. First of all, we have to see the question. According to questions, we have to decide, because I have given already guidelines to decide which is the first or second. According to ILET, or you can write also LEAT. This is simple for you, ILET. Log x is the first function, x is the second function. Now put in this formula. According to this one, we can write the integration of suitable value, at last answer will come. See question number 3 here. ILET. Clear? I means inverse, first function. L means there is no log. A means algebraic, second function. Means sin inverse x into x square, first function, and second function dx. First of all, going to put in formula, leaving first function, integration of second function minus whole integration of d by dx of sin inverse x into integration of x square dx and whole integration. Clear? Very simple. Leaving you integration of second function minus whole integration of first function depreciation into second integration. Then sin inverse x, integration of x square means x cube by 3 minus depreciation of sin inverse means what? Under root 1 minus x square, and what? X cube by here 3 and dx. Now x cube into sin inverse x upon 3 minus 1 by 3 outside, x cube upon under root 1 minus x square and dx. Clear? After that, we have to integrate this function. Then here, let 1 minus x square is equal to t square. Because in previous video, we have done already about how we can substitute value t, u, theta only here. And here minus 2x dx is equal to what? 2t dt. 2 to cancel here. And dx is equal to what? T dt upon minus x. Now x cube sin inverse x upon 3 here minus 1 by 3 and integration of x cube upon under root 1 minus x square is equal to t square, and t square, what is the value of dx in the terms of dt? t into dt by minus x. Clear? Now x cancelled by this x and x cube sin inverse x upon 3 here minus minus plus 1 by 3 integration of x square into t into dt upon what? Under root t square is equal to t. Now t cancel here and x cube sin inverse x upon 3 plus 1 by 3 integration of now x square dt whatever variable here in same variable we have to change the value of this function. It means what is value of x square? 1 minus t square. You can find here 1 minus t square is equal to x square here. Then x is equal to what? 1 minus t square and dt is equal to x cube sin inverse x upon 3 plus 1 by 3 and integration of 1 means what? T. T square means what? T cube by 3 plus c. At last we have to change the value of t in the terms of x. Here t is equal to what? 1 minus x square 1 by 2. Clear? T is equal to what? 1 minus x means under root 1 minus x square, that is 1 minus x square 1 by 2. Now answer is x cube sin inverse x upon 3 plus 1 by 3. T means what? Under root 1 minus x square minus t means what? 1 minus x square 3 by 2 by 3 plus c. Now this is answer. In this question, integration of tan inverse x dx. We don't know integration of tan inverse x directly. So for apply this formula, we have to write given questions into two terms, two functions. Why? Because this is two function here. Then tan inverse x into 1 dx. Because if any functions multiply by 1, same function will come. So tan inverse x dx means tan inverse x into 1 dx we can write here. Now according to Euler, I is the first, means I is the first function, 1 is the second function. Then leaving first function, then integration of second function minus differentiation of first function and integration of second function and whole integration. Here, so simple. Only we have put in given formula first function integration of second function minus sign here d by dx of first function integration of second function dx. Now tan inverse x integration of 1 means what? X. Integration of tan inverse differentiation of tan inverse x is equal to what? 1 upon 1 plus x square into x and dx. Then x into tan inverse x minus x dx upon 1 plus x square. Now let 1 plus x square is equal to t and 2x dx is equal to dt and x dx is equal to what? dt by 2. And x into tan inverse x minus what is value of x dx? dt by 2. 1 plus x square is equal to what? t. Okay? And x into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 integration of dt by t. Then what is the integration of 1 by t dt? Means log of t, x into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 log of t plus c. At last, in this form, question is there. Answer should be also in this form, same form. X into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 log of, what is value of t? 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square plus. Now this is answer. Understood? Correct? Okay. Now, next question. If integration of cos inverse 1 by x and dx. Clear? Understood? Both are like same question. Then there is only one term. If you want, one means let x is equal to sec theta. Why? 1 by sec cos inverse cos theta is equal to theta will come. That's why we can suppose x is equal to sec theta, then dx is equal to, what is the depreciation of sec theta? Sec theta means sec theta into tan theta d theta. Then here cos inverse 1 by sec theta into dx is equal to what? Sec theta tan theta d theta. And cos inverse 1 by sec means what? Cos of theta sec theta tan theta d theta. Cos inverse cos theta is equal to what? Theta sec theta tan theta d theta. Okay. Now going to put formula. Formula means I let. Inverse, there is no inverse. L log, no. A means algebraic. This is first function and total is second function. Now leaving first function, integration of second function minus whole integration of d by d theta of theta into integration of clear and theta. Clear? Theta, sec theta then means what? Sec theta minus depreciation of theta with respect to theta 1. And here sec theta d theta. Theta sec theta, integration of sec theta is equal to what? Log of sec theta plus tan theta plus c. Clear? Why? Because you can check also here. Log of sec theta tan theta means 1 by sec theta tan theta. Sec means sec tan means sec square, a sec common and cancel. Clear? Now we have to put the value of theta is equal to what? Sec inverse x. Clear? In the terms of x. Theta is equal to what? Sec inverse x. Sec theta is equal to what? Into x minus log of sec theta plus tan theta means what? Already you know, sec square minus tan square is equal to 1 and sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square. Like this one here, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 and here sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan theta under root sec square theta minus 1 plus c. At last sec inverse x minus log of sec theta means what? Sec theta is equal to x plus under root ax square minus 1 plus c. Now this is answer. Understood? Okay, now I'm going to give homework question. Question number 1 is integration of x into sec square x dx. Second is cos inverse x dx. Third question is x into sin inverse x dx. Fourth question is integration of cosec qx. Last question is integration of x into cos qx. Understood? So please, I request you try to complete all the homework questions and how many chapters already we have finished in previous video. Please, you may revise. Why? Because maybe in this month I will take your test, okay? Of all the given chapters, how many chapters finished by me? Understood? Okay, thank you very much.